Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of website creation. Whether you're starting a personal blog, launching an online store, or building a professional portfolio, these 5 key steps will set you on the path to success. Step 1. Define your goals. First things first, define your goals. What do you want to achieve with your website? It's crucial to have a clear understanding of your objectives. Identifying your target audience and defining the purpose of your website are essential steps. It helps you tailor your content and design to meet the needs of your audience. Step 2. Choose the right platform. Next up, choose the right platform. With so many options available, finding the perfect fit can be overwhelming. Whether you opt for WordPress, Wix, Squarespace, or another platform, consider factors like ease of use, customization options, and scalability. Step 3. Design your website. Now, let's talk design. A visually appealing and user-friendly website is crucial for making a lasting impression. Choose a theme or template that reflects your brand identity and ensures seamless navigation for your visitors. Step 4. Create compelling content. Content is king. Without engaging content, your website won't attract and retain visitors. From blog posts to videos to captivating images, make sure your content resonates with your target audience. Step 5. Optimize for performance and SEO. Last but not least, optimize for performance and SEO. A fast, responsive website that ranks well in search engines is key to success. Improve website speed, ensure mobile responsiveness, and implement basic SEO tactics to boost your online visibility. And there you have it, 5 key steps to launching your own website. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day. Take your time, stay focused, and you'll soon have a website you can be proud of. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials on website creation. Thanks for watching, and happy website building!